all about pushing the envelope and doing something that is best. It is different from every company because every company will try and achieve the highest quality, but they will stop. They will stop when it becomes too hard. But Cisco will never give up just because it's too hard to do. It is one of those companies which has a great reference for its employee understanding, which has a great reference to expertise.
There's a belief in the power of small teams to do something really great. If you've got the right people in the room with the notion of let's do something great, then great things will happen.
We never stop, we always keep refining till the last detail. There's nothing such as good enough, we have to do the best.
One of the unique things about Cisco is the cross-collaboration between the groups. Our employees are always curious problem solvers and are always moving forward.
Be it a software or a marketing technique, what is presented to a customer is effortless ease. You don't know how much of work goes beneath the surface, and believe me, it's a lot.
There is not only one way to solve a problem. One must be flexible and adaptable in order to work with Cisco. Those who work here have the ability to adjust quickly to circumstances that change continuously.
You don't come to Cisco unless and until you're really good. You're hired because you are at the top of your field, or you have the potential to be at the top of your field.
Cisco always takes care of their employees, and therefore we have a number of employee benefit plans. First is the cafeteria plan, where you get to choose your own food, you get life insurance, medical insurance and auto insurance. Second is we give you regular medical checkups to keep your health in proper good shape. We are always there to help you when you are in a crisis. We are providing you crisis loans. We are there to reward your hard work and make you the employee of the month by giving you employee rewards. We're giving you a de-stressing activity arena. Whenever you're tired, you go and play every indoor and outdoor game to de-stress you. We also provide you with a number of retirement plans to make your retirement life happy. If you work well, we even give you abroad trips. So please do come and join Cisco. We're waiting.
Working here at Cisco, you can get a lot more in 2 years than working in any other company in 5 years.
The best part of working at Cisco is the feeling that whatever you have brought to the table has contributed to something greater than yourself, and in that way you change the world.
There are a number of places that give you happiness. A work environment properly designed gives you a place full of meaning. And Cisco gives you an opportunity to be part of something